Smart assembly lines. We have digital solutions to define and validate safe and secure assembly lines to gain agility for facing changing demands and new technology challenges, to break silos between engineering and manufacturing departments, to land the first time right assembly line, to operate safety first for your assembly line workers at all times without compromising productivity. ESI equips manufacturing engineering managers with a human-centric solution for virtual assembly planning. They can resolve complex production challenges to reduce risks and inefficiencies, to meet their startup production goals, and to accelerate ramp-up. Worker safety and ergonomics will be at the heart of your virtual assembly line, solving challenges around component installation, wiring and cabling, assembly cell layout, tooling, and equipment. And you can use it to efficiently ramp up your assembly line workers. Our solution bridges product and process engineering from design to manufacturing, assembly, and maintenance.